Hello, this is Johnny. I just bought a two cute Raman and a half character. This is a character animation where he changed to, girl when he get wet, and animation it changes to avoid danger, keep the plastic bag outside, away from baby. Okay. So this time both of them does come with a plastic cover, which the first one Chin Lee did not have, which is kind of weird. But this two Harley of Prayer, this one was very cute, and I was like, but both of them I think is around in the 30, the price, or roughly close to it. But I can't resist the fact that one of this is childhood memory of playing this game, on the in PlayStation 1 when it came out in the CD, and also the animation portion of the before it became a video game. And then this character, I just can't resist the big bright eye that they have. So let's go ahead and open both of them. This time is packed very well. The box looks like it's in a better condition because they put it in a box that fits both of them perfectly. So the box doesn't seem to damage. The other one, it was kind of a little bit bent. It wasn't damaged, but it was bent. But it didn't come with like a plastic like this, had plastic cover around it. So let's see, get all this open up. I like this kind of character better than Funko Pop, because Funko Pop, their head is big, but I used to collect them, but my wife say they all look the same. The head is big and square, and then I look at it and I like, I guess you're right. I mean, they're cute, but the head look exactly identical. There's nothing really, unless I do notice some character that I just bought, I'll show you, that even though it's a Funko Pop, but it's not like it's a square head. Like my wife was saying, and I know a lot of people collect those. I think I did collect the Funko Pop, the Ninja Turtle one. They made it pretty neat, is, you could tell they are different compared to the other Funko Pop, because it does look like a Ninja Turtle. Instead of peeling the plastic, I'm just gonna cut it faster. Okay, so this one is ready to open, and I think this one is ready to open. All right, so let's open this too. They have it like this in the container. Now beside me, I have a lot of boxes that I bought, majority from Glenn's Retro Show. I bought one that just recently came in, and also I bought one for the holiday. I think they call it the Holiday 40. So if you look over here, I have those over there as well, those boxes. So I will do a video once I have more time, because those require Raspberry Pi and also image. So I have to probably go back and look at Glenn Retro Show to see how to put those together. because it doesn't look like it's very, you know, easy step. Alright, so like each of this pocket have something in it. So there's only 3 on this one. So this one doesn't have that much stuff in it. And this one had 1, 2, 3 as well. Oh, 4. This one had 4 and 5. So this one have 5 things on it, like Chun-Li. With that one only have 3. Huh, interesting. That one only have 3. So let's open this up. That way I don't have to do one at a time. Just let them all come out. So this have a stick right here somehow. I have no idea what this extra thing here. This is kind of weird. Oh, skateboard. Nope. Skateboard. Okay. So I guess skateboard go here, like so. And then this piece hold the character. And this is the head. It looked very nice. Doesn't have any scratches or anything mark on it. The lips areas look fine. So this is what I was saying. The head itself have this kind of, but this thing is only a circle. So it's kind of weird that it's like that. And you just put it on. Look like there's something dirty mark here. I'm sorry. See, look like there's a dirty thing right here. I was wondering if I could get it off using my nail. So you just pop it in like so. Oop. Okay. And it's very cute. And the skateboard go on this little plastic, and this one go directly to the hole. Let me undo it. So this is what it came like that. Make from China. All right, so we're gonna put here like this, and then put that piece. You actually don't need it, but I think they have it just to be safe so it won't fall. Huh. Pretty long for a stick. I really don't know. I really don't think you need this. Okay. So I guess keep the head from falling backward because it's tilting back a little bit. That one is very pretty. All right, let's try this one out. Raman and a half. And also I bought another one. It's coming. It won't be here till Friday. This one is a little bit dirty on the cheek area. Let's bring it close. It's a little bit dirty right here. See? Kind of. And then you just pop this. This one is circle, and this is the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hector 6. Okay, look very nice. Just pop it in. All right, this one only have one. So I guess the name would be in the front. So just pop it in like this. And let's put the Chun-Li next to it. Chun-Li's head is more facing down. For some reason I feel like Chun-Li's head is gonna pop out for some reason. So it's cute. I don't know if I could bring this down. Let me just take it off the phone case. And let's look through it closer. And I guess you could tilt the head more. Pretty cool.